Start it. Oh my god, I'm so happy, dude. We're doing a mid-pipe. So on that car, they don't really have a way of exiting the engine, exhaust header area. Kind of like, obviously they have their own things, but they go to one. This kind of splits it up more. You get another little X pipe, you know what I'm saying? And then, so usually it's like a, so now it's a separate, but then they equal out the length. That's why it looks kind of interesting. Then you have like a crossover here, but if you stretch it all out, it would be the same. So the goal is to get rid of the rasp. It won't happen, but you can get close.
Start it.
It actually did it?
What?
It doesn't sound like it.
Yeah.
Or some shit.
I think it's backwards.
Let's go there.
Upside down. Yeah.
Yeah, because they come in pieces, so we'll start getting the bolts off. Facebook Marketplace, probably an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Do you see right here?
While they're doing that, let's check out what's over here. Sup, Shay? What's going on? What's going on?
We don't close that, man. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Alright, my fault. Bro, let me get back to fucking work.
So you were cutting your exhaust off and you hit the gas tank. No, that didn't happen. We ain't like that.
You gotta edit this shit. I got a match in my hand. I'm gonna light it. I'm gonna throw it on there. You're gonna put the big ass explosion. 3, 2, 1. Oh, bitch.
Yeah, you want to?
Do a little rev limiter, dog.
I did that shit.
It'll spin flames 100%. Yeah! Oh, that sounded like fucking.
Is that normal?
You need an AK tuner, bro. No. It did the burbles, but not fucking. Thank you. Yeah, bro.
Happy for you, son.
Thank you, cameraman.
Of course.
Thank you, Dad. Being proud of us. Thanks for coming over to the race division.
Yeah, now you go down, right?
Sounds good, bro. Fuck. Like night and day, right? Wow. Damn, boy.
Hey, you a proud stepfather?
Yeah. You happy?
Oh my god, I'm
face,
so
bro.
happy, dude. I love my life. I really do. You're gonna have terrible days, but it's for days like this that none of that shit matters. It sounds insane.